I've had these wheels in my garage for a while now, and I did post a photo of them back when I first received them, but I wanted to do a proper unboxing and also talk a little bit about wheel offsets and some of the challenges in getting wide wheels onto an FD RX-7. Now, if you've ventured into that territory before, you know that there's basically three options. You can buy a set of wide wheels off of anything that's in stock somewhere off the shelf, but typically they're difficult to find high offsets like the stock wheels. So a lot of times you gotta possibly make some compromises with that. Maybe you have to adjust your camber significantly, or roll your fenders or modify them in some other way to get those wheels to fit. Another option is to go with wider fenders or put on a wide body kit. I didn't want to do any of that. I wanted to keep the stock body lines and be able to run the widest wheels that I could find. So the best way to do that is to get custom offset wheels. There's a few manufacturers out there that allow you to custom order wheels and whatever offset that you want, and I'm happy that I was able to do that with the wheels that I actually really wanted. So I want to do an unboxing of this and kind of show you the wheel and what it ended up looking like. These came directly from Japan, and they were ordered through System Motorsports here in California. They were really great to work with. After I placed the order online, they contacted me directly just to verify the order and all of the options that I wanted on them. As you'll soon see, I did opt for some customization when I ordered these besides the actual wheel offset. Inside the box, first thing I see is just some information on how to clean them and a disclaimer about anodized wheels, which is what these are. Is being a little bit annoying, but there it is. Let me move the camera in a second and I'll pull this out of the box. Okay, there it is. Now, a little bit on the specs. This is an 18-inch wheel. I've got it in two sizes. This is the rear wheel, came in 10.5 inches, and the fronts are 10-inch. So I honestly don't know if these are going to fit 100%, but based on all my calculations and research, they should fit without having to roll the fenders. And on the backs, these should fit just barely without having to modify the suspension and the trailing arms. So these are black anodized. I mentioned before that I did have them customized a little bit. The standard look for these wheels is black face and the barrel raw aluminum. So I had these anodized on the barrel as well so that they match, but more importantly, I just wanted them to last a long time, and that'll give them a lot of extra protection, especially from brake dust and things like that. I'm really impressed with the quality of these wheels. They're exactly what I hoped they would be. I'm surprised that I haven't seen these specific wheels on an FD. I'm sure somebody's running them, but I've never seen one. They're a 7-spoke wheel, which is not very popular. The 10-spoke version of these tend to be a little bit more popular, I've noticed. You can see that on the side here, the face doesn't protrude at all. It's pretty even with the lip, which is kind of what I like. I don't want something that's too much of a deep dish wheel. I had kind of that look on my RX-8, and I wanted to go with something a little bit different on this one. And then one other thing I wanted to show is the center caps that I chose for these. Adam from Rev Limiter made these inserts, and they turned out just really nice. It's got the Onfini logo, so it's got kind of a factory look to it, but overall it fits the aesthetic of the car, which there's a lot of brushed stainless steel and aluminum throughout the car. And I think they turned out really nice. Really happy with these. I'm going to pop one in here and then just so we can sort of see what it looks like. These are just a few of the accessories that I got to go with the wheels. These are forged aluminum lug nuts. They do come with these valve stems as well, which are really nice. They've got the Work logo on them. Alright, so there it is. I'm pretty happy with this. I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? Have you seen these on an RX-7 before? What do you think of the 7-spoke wheels? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I'm really excited to get these on the car.